Hello, I am Rini. Thanks for watching my videos. Today I am going to teach you how to make different kinds of Instagram cartoons. Okay, so for the first style, in a canvas, select a elliptical ruler and adjust it. Then draw a basic shape for the face and then add hair and draw the body, eyes and other things. In my previous video, I have shown how to make the body and the faces. Link is in description, go and watch it. Okay, so now lower the opacity of the current layer and make another new layer and start drawing in it. It is the final drawing and then color it. For this style, use light colors and don't forget to add rosy cheeks and detail it, and it's now ready. Now the second cartoon. For this style, use pencil to brush and make the outline of the cartoon. I drew it freehand, oval face and large eyes with lashes are the speciality of the style. To give it a more natural effect, color the outline also. To color the outline, go to the main drawing layer and add a new layer over it. And then clip the layer and select a color which is matching to the skin color but a little bit darker than that, and draw the outlines and then fill with other colors and add details, and now the drawing is ready. For the third cartoon, I started by drawing a round shape in a layer and then added a new layer and draw the face, eyes and hairs. Now color this. The light is coming from the right side, so I added darker shades in the left portion and added lighter colors in the right, and add details and finish the drawing. If you find it helpful, so please like this video and do subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.